Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and happy holidays. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. If you've subscribed to my channel and you are a regular, welcome back. So before we get into this unboxing, because we don't want to break the nails. This is a true unboxing. Everything is taped up. So, how have you been doing and how are you coping with all the stress? Comment below. I want to hear from you. So, So right here is my bar card. And before I do this unboxing, I want to give a little mention to the bar card. I want to show you how you incorporate Christmas into staple items that are in your home. So here you see that I have the Santa Claus and the martini shaker, the wine decanter. You have the glasses, the coasters. You have also the bucket, which is insulated. And then down below, you also have the glasses and then the wine decanters. As you can tell, I love gold. I love all things gold and cream colors. But the majority of the time, items do not always come in the gold. It comes in silver, so that's when I have to add a little bit of the silver into my decor. It's so easy to incorporate. Down below you see that I have added the holiday decorations to the side and also to the front. And then of course my little reindeer with the fur. I love fur on all things. View of everything. And that is my bar card. Holiday decoration, Santa, and reindeer. So I just added in those three elements to make it a holiday bar card. You can also change out your dessert plates. I do have dessert plates that say love, peace, and joy. So that's another option for you, is to change out your dessert plates to add a little bit more of festiveness for the holiday season. Okay, so that is my bar card. All right, so here we are. Are we ready for the unboxing? So comment below, do you like my bar card? I really like it. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. And unboxing, because I am trying to figure out what is this. My sales associate Jeremy Nelson sent this to me, and this is a very, very nice size. Yeah. So this is the Coco Chanel in the 1.7 full ounce. I am a Christmas type of girl, lady. I love all things Christmas. Because I like Christmas so much, I thought it would be most appropriate to have a ring. And I believe this is the snow. Is it the snowfall or the snow? Comment below if you know. snow something, snow collection. Oh my goodness. And it fits perfectly. Oh, look at, okay, I'm sorry. You cannot see this. Let me come closer. Oh gosh. There you go. This is it. This is my ring for the collection for Christmas. What do you think? Has pearls. Oh my gosh. The double C's. Has a wide band. This is a size, I believe, 51. And before I lose all my lighting, I love it. I love it. All things Christmas, all things Chanel. Here it is. Let me, how does that look? Are you picking that up? Do you see what that is? What is that? This is a snowflake. Oh my goodness, a snowflake. As I said, I love Christmas. And what I think, oh, this one is a little bit big. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. It is a little bit big. It should be the same size. I ordered the same size, but it's a little wider than this one. Are you guys, I'm sorry, but are you looking at this? Look how thick and wide and smooth that is. That is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Let me take it off. Let me bring it in closer. Look at the details onto that. That is beautiful. Somebody loving Christmas. Somebody loving Chanel. Incorporate the two and you get this. I'm sorry, but I might have to wear this even after Christmas. I know it's a snowflake, but oh well. Is that not beautiful? Pearls, crystals, double C's in the middle, black. Oh, it has like little gold flakes in the black right here. Can you see that? And this wide dome-shaped ring, it is very thick. See, compare that to this one. This one will definitely okay, so you want to wear this for Christmas, yes? I would say yes, wear this for Christmas. Then, for this one will be like, you can wear this after Christmas throughout the year. I think this could be like a piece that you can wear anytime because no one is going to know that it doesn't say snowflake Christmas like this one. Wait, like this one. This one says, let me put that on here. Okay, here we go. What do you think? So this one speaks Christmas, yes? And this one speaks elegance and throughout the year. And then we would say hello. And it would be Christmassy. Then over here, we're just simple, elegant, classy, all through the year type of ring. Minus, see, we got to take away because my fingernails are giving away. the Christmas vibe. But look at that. Look at that. This is, I don't, tell me, what do you think? Okay, so I went and I looked on my email, and here are the style numbers. It is item number 1299710, and the style is A is in apple, B 1818, Y is in Ulysses 47874. Now, which ring is which ring? Size is 52. Okay, and then the other item number is 1298334 with the style number A is in apple, B is in boy 1844, Y is in Ulysses 47799. All right, so I don't know which one is which, but those are the item numbers followed by the style numbers for these beautiful, beautiful rings. Those are the two unboxings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and happy holidays. Happy holidays to everyone. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.